First Purim, after the Holocaust, and the camp got together and collected its cigarette rations, because there were no smokers left, and we still got cigarette rations. Logic of the government bureaucracy. Anyway, my father and others in the school put together a Purim play with original songs, one of which he composed, that at least I left the music from, and him singing it, and it Zol Purim Zayin. Anyway, they got these rations, hired the Berlin players from the Berlin, either opera or philharmonic. These are top-notch musicians, and they got expensive costumes from the Berlin Opera with his rations. And the whole point of it was to rub the Germans' nose into, "You lost, baby." It was absolutely an all-out, spiteful vengeance. No two ways about it. The glory of victory, the Zol Purim Zayin, which was the conclusion, is a glorious, victorious song. And of course the Germans understood our Yiddish, because Yiddish and German are very similar. And there they are sawing away for a pack of cigarettes. You can picture the feeling. It's just amazing, the type vigor of the people at that time.